this until it's soft. You can add water as needed until you reach the consistency that we want. Once we reach that consistency, put it aside, and then on a separate pan, heat your oil, and then here's where we're gonna add our meat.
Put some olive oil, not too much, because the fat of the pork will help us cook everything, and it's tastier. I've just sauteed this, salt it, not too much, so it won't be too salty. So once the pork is almost done, now we can add your onion and garlic. How much onion and garlic, it depends on you. I mean, I like them, so I put a bunch in my cooking. Soy sauce or the more liquid seasoning that I used. This is 4 tablespoons. If you're using soy sauce, it will be less, maybe 2 tablespoons, and just taste it. Then now I'm gonna add my tablespoon of powdered beef bouillon. You can also use a cube of it. I like black pepper, so I added a few more, and then just stir it until we reach the consistency we want. So here it was getting a little dry, and the mung beans are not as soft as I want them to be, so I added some water and let it boil more. And now it's done. Here's your Munggo, as Filipinos call it. Serve with your rice. Thanks for watching.